In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to reset your Atomic Wallet account's password if you've forgotten your password during logging in. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up your Atomic Wallet application, and you'll be able to see that you'll be required to enter your password to log into your wallet. In case you don't remember your password, you can restore from your backup. Click on Restore from Backup link and click the Continue button in the pop-up. In order to recover your wallet, you'll need to type in your backup phrases, which is 12 words. If you don't have a backup of your 12 words recovery phrases, then you won't be able to get access to your wallet. There's no way to recover the access to your fund, so before you get into this situation, you are the one who's solely responsible for keeping your account secure. As soon as you create a new wallet on Atomic Wallet, go to the Settings button on the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Private Keys option at the top right-hand corner. Enter your password for your Atomic Wallet account and click on Show Private Keys. You'll be able to see your 12 words backup phrases displayed on the screen at the very top where it says Atomic. Click on the phrases and you'll be able to copy the 12-word backup phrase. Now all you need to do is save your backup phrase somewhere safe and make sure to place it in a secure folder. Now, whenever you forget your password, your backup phrases will be able to restore your wallet. Click the Restore from Backup if you have the backup phrases saved, and click the Continue button in the pop-up. Now, type in your 12-word backup phrases in the text box and make sure to enter them in the correct order. Click Restore Wallet after done. Now, you'll get to choose a new password for your Atomic Wallet. Type in the new password you'd like to reset to, and you can double-check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner. Repeat the new password by typing it again in the next text box and click Set Password. That is how it can be done. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the new password that you just reset to. That is how you can easily reset your Atomic Wallet's account's password if you've forgotten the password during logging in. All you need is your backup phrases and you'll be good to go. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back with more tutorial like this. Keep watching for more.